Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower to finish the week on Friday, dragged down by shares in technology, hardware and equipment, household and personal products, as well as food, beverage and tobacco sectors. While on the economic docket, no news to report, so decliners ahead of advancers. 82% of SP 500 constituents, they traded lower on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, the U.S. Justice Department opening an antitrust probe into potential coordination by AT&T and Verizon and the Telecommunications Standards Organization to hinder consumers from easily switching wireless carriers. This reported by the New York Times, citing sources. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly down today. The Nikkei down about 0.33%. Hang Seng down 0.5%. China's CSI 300 up 0.15%. South Korea's Kospi down about 0.1%. European markets mixed and U.S. futures calling for a flat open. In terms of expectations today, Alphabet first quarter EPS seen at $12.04 on sales of approximately $24.3 billion. Halliburton first quarter EPS seen at 40 cents, while on the economic docket 8:30 in the morning we had the March Chicago Fed National Activity Index. 9:45 in the morning we had the April preliminary market U.S. manufacturing as well as services PMI reads, and then 10 o'clock in the morning March existing home sales figures. Turning over to the markets, the SP 500 that's under pressure to start the week, and it's also in focus as the relative strength index is bearish and calling for further downside. Short positions below 2682.25 are favored with targets at 2658 and 2646.50 in extension. The Nasdaq meanwhile sees the downside prevail, and the Dow Jones that sees the downside prevail as well.